Hi students, good morning. Myself Gautam, working as an assistant professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering in Shriram Engineering College. Now, today we are going to see about memory hierarchy in computer. Good morning to everyone. Myself Gautam, working as an assistant professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering in Shriram Engineering College. Today we are going to see about virtual memory. First of all, what is virtual memory? Virtual memory is a technique that allows a program to execute the large memory space and even though the physical RAM is limited in virtual memory. The main uses of virtual memory is RAM and secondary storage disk. When the in C when the program runs, the CPU generates the virtual address. The virtual address is the converted into physical address for using the memory management unit. It is called the MMU, memory management unit. This is the concept diagram. The first one is CPU, the second one is virtual address, then the virtual address is converted into MMU, then the MMU is converted to physical address, and then RAM. The final is disk storage. The disk is for the if page faulting. The second one is paging. The paging means the virtual memory is divided into fixed size blocks. The fixed size blocks called the pages. Similarly, physical memory is divided into frames. Each page is mapped into a frame in RAM. The page size is always equal to the frame size in paging. Paging helps the efficient memory utilization and avoid the external fragmentation. Then TLP, translation look aside buffer. It is a high speed memory used to store recently accessed page table, and it acts as a cache for the page table. In page table, every time when the system first checks the TLP, the TLP reduce the memory access time and improve the performance. And then TLP hit, the virtual address is calculated by page number divided by offset. The CPU send page number to TLP, then found if the frame number returned in TLP. If not found means the page table acts as a TLP miss. The one what is TLP hit means if the page number is found means the frame number obtained quickly and no need to access page table. And third one is faster memory access. If TLP miss means if page number not found in TLP means it access page table in RAM and get frame number updated in TLP and continuous execution. If TLP miss means this cause a extra delay in memory access. Then performance. Without TLP, the system requires two memory access. One is page table and the another one is actual table. If TLP hit the only one memory access is required, therefore TLP significantly improve the system performance. The system performance improved by the EAT equal to H into T plus M and then plus 1 minus H into T plus 2M, where H is the TLP hit ratio and T here the T is the TLP access time and M is the main memory access time, though it can be calculated by the better performance of the TLP. Then accessing input and output devices. Everyone knows the input output device. Input device means keyboard and mouse, output device means monitor, printer, and etc. The storage device are hard disk. The CPU in the input and output, the CPU communicate with the device for receiving the input and send output and store the retrieved data. The next one is interrupt. Interrupt is a signal sent to the CPU for indicating the needs immediate attention. When the interrupt occurs, means that the CPU temporarily stop the current execution program. It executes the special routine. It's called the interrupt service routine. After the interrupt is served means the CPU resumes the normal execution. Then interrupt cycle. Interrupt cycle is the part of the instruction cycle. When the interrupt is detected means the CPU pauses the current instruction execution and they execute the interrupt service routine and and then continues the original program of the interrupt cycle. It it ensures the efficient handling of multiple tasks. It's part of the instruction cycle. Then final one is the direct memory access. The direct memory access DMA. The direct memory access that allows the data transfer directly between the input-output device and between the main memory. This can happen without continuous CPU involvement. A DMA control manage this process. In CPU workload is reduced and overall system performance improved in the direct memory access. Thank you for everyone.